Hi, people. Here I am one more time again because I like to tell you something. It's very nice thinking of me, you know. So when I know I can sing good, you know. So because my voice give it to me, so it's nice, it's cool. So I told my Father God, um, if I go to idols for the God or to another dirty singing contest, then I will sing and the people all will turn their chair and they all want me. They will start to fight about me and I will choose. So I will say, so I need to choose one of you. And they will say, yes, yes, choose, choose. And I will say, well, I did make my choice. Yeah, and what is your choice? Who is it? Tell us. I will be quiet a little bit and then I will start to shock the world because I'm on TV. I do understand that everybody is watching this and I will say, I did make my choice. It will be my Father God. But he is not there. So, bye bye. I go home. And they all want me, you know. But I saw no one, folks, who do this. Not one soul here on earth will perfectly think like this. You understand? That's why I am perfect with God. God did make me perfect in my thinking. And I am really only with God. I took you all away from me. And that's why God did choose me also. So the world will be shocked and it will come on TV and on pictures and all this kind of shit, you know? And they will say, "Whoa, this man, he shocked the world because he did say something nobody will get in his mind." You understand, folks? And that's me. That's me. That's me, and God did give it to me. This kind of thinking, this kind of beautifulness I did get. I did get it from God, and I give thanks to God on my bare knees that he did give me these things. I did not know how perfect I can be. I did not know, folks. You know, the day I never been touched, I never will be here. And I tell you again, again and again. You know, I hear people talking about war right now. I was the first one who did talk about war. The first one, folks. And they did laugh at me. And now all the people, it's normal to talk about war. World War III is coming. And I think it's not fair. Because I really was the first one who saw it, who did go through it, who did walk through the people who did die on the floor by soldiers shooting down, by stones and hail and storms and thunder and lightning and the seas and the weather I saw it all, folks. I tell you again, I saw it all. I am a child of God. God himself did touch me. Now yesterday I did talk about Donald Trump. I did say, to be a president is not easy, not to kill. You understand? To be a president is not easy not to kill, because you do have the power in your hands of the people who will start to kill for you. That's why it's not easy not to kill. So what Donald Trump did a few days ago to attack the things people use and not the people, so no lives, I think that's very good. And it's also a very good warning. If Donald Trump will be like this, he will be my main man, because he will never kill someone. But I think this will go wrong. And I saw already the pages. That's why I did say, I hope for Donald Trump that they kill him right on time. Because then he go clean to my father, with no blood on his hands or in the box. But if he stay and he start to command the people to go to war, then all these people who will go to war and will kill and will die, it is on his pages of blood. That's why I hope that Donald Trump will die to be with my father. There is still a chance for Mr. Trump to be with my father, but you definitely may do nothing wrong. It's not possible, folks, or you will not go to God. For me it's easy to not go wrong. You understand? Because I never did do something wrong. But me also, I was not perfect. But now I'm perfect. I do nothing wrong. I stay home, I watch, I listen to my father, I talk with my father, I play with my father. I do everything with my father. My father is God. God is my father. So I am his son. So is he my father. I don't know any better, folks. Or he is my real blood. He is my father. And I am perfect in the talking and the thinking I do and the things I say, because I know what I need to say, and I can make you really, really quiet. All of you, if I like. Because I know how. I walk the way of God, and God is perfect in his talking, perfect in the things he walk, in the things he do. I never did met such a perfect person like God himself. There is no one more perfect than he will be. There is also no one more perfect who are next to God right now. They are above perfect, like their Father is. God only wants perfect people. And then you will think, I'm ugly, I look like shit and I smell like it, then I think you did step in it. But it doesn't matter for God if you smell like shit or you don't look like it or you think that way. It doesn't care for God at all. But you need to be perfect in the things you do, the things you say, the things you talk about, the things you feel. And you do need to have a very good heart, mind and soul. And the mind you can forget, because the mind you only can get if God starts to touch you. And the love also. But your soul need to be clean, folks, or you will never go to God. It is the soul my Father do watch for. And the skin on the outside, it doesn't really matter for God. If you smell, or you are blind, or you are deaf, or you are ugly, or you are beautiful, or whatever, it doesn't matter for God at all. You need to be beautiful and perfect inside. I talk about your soul. That's all I have to say. So go to idols, start to sing, and if you are a good singer, then do this, what I told you. Let the people know how much you love God, and show God with his own eyes, because my Father God is watching you all. And do the most perfect things in God's eyes, so that God will start to get tears in his eyes, because he loves you so much. Start to give love, but do it on a special way, like I just told you, with this idol shit. Go there if you are a good singer, and do it perfectly, so that the people, that they want you all, that they go on their knees for you. So let them go on their knees for you. Don't ever go on your knees for them, because these are fallen angels. Let them go on your knees for you. And then tell these people, so you want me? Yes. I did make a choice. And the people will stand up and you be quiet. You can even make a joke, like to say, if one of you go on your knees for me, I will pick you. The first one, who is the fastest to go on their knees, I will pick you. And then you will say, but I'm sorry. I don't see my Father God. So I go home. And then this will come on TV and people will start to understand who you are. You are perfect with God. I can learn you how to become more perfect with God. I hope you will listen on this channel and everything I say is the truth about everything I saw. I did learn, I did feel, I know for sure, I hear, I touch, I taste. It is the fruit I definitely taste. And if the fruit is dirty in my mouth, I will spit you out.